Hello, in this video we are going to see how to create submittal package using Quoteplan software. Now if your process requires to submit various documents, cut sheets as a part of your offer letter, then this video is very important for you. Now if you have ever been involved into creating a submittal package, then you know how time consuming that activity is. There are various steps involved to create a submittal package. First, you have to search specification sheet on internet or manufacturer's website, or you have to contact distributors or sales rep and get the information from them. Sometimes you have to find O&M manual or user manuals also, and download the specification sheets, then highlight the catalog numbers, create a markup document from that, then manually create a data sheet for each and every line item from bill of material, which consists of part number, description, manufacturer, vendor information. Then you have to generate an offer letter, and finally you have to combine all these documents together. So it is a very time consuming, cumbersome activity, as you are aware of it. Now if we tell you that all these steps can be combined into only one click using Quoteplan software, you are not going to believe us. This is exactly what we are working for several months to create an architecture which will help you expedite creating a submittal package information. So let's go and see how Quoteplan software helps you create submittal package in one shot. Now let's go to our project. Let's open any project. So for our demo purpose, I already have a built-in bill of material. Now your bill of material may look completely different. Don't worry about it. You may have your customized templates and formulas, so don't worry about it. It will have some hardware material. So that is important. It will have some hardware material like Rockwell, Siemens, Schneider, and whatnot. All right. Now go into actions, create quotation package, and click on generate HTML. So if you click here, you will realize that you will see this HTML template. Now your template is completely customized. It could look completely different based on your formats and your terms and conditions and some other information. Now watch these icons. There is an icon called as add PDF. Now if you click on this add PDF icon, you will realize that all the items which are hardware items, they will be displayed here. Now this is important. You will not see any labor category related items like project management or PLC programming or drawings, designing, architecture, on-site, off-site. That those parts you will not see here, and as well as expense related like your per diem or car rental or air freight and those kind of things you will not see here. Also another important is you will not see dummy items. Now what are dummy items and how they are useful, you can watch another video where it is explained in detail about dummy items. Because dummy items are phantom item, they are just line items. You don't have any association of any real item and you cannot associate documents to that. So that's why you will not see those items over here. So these are built-in items in the Quoteplan software. It could be Quoteplan managed item or user created items. Now watch this column. It gives you all the documents which are stored onto Quoteplan server and associated with this particular item. And over several months, we have been working very hard to actually link various documents. We have close to 8 to 10,000 documents actually create over several years based on our experience, and linking those back into individual items in item master. So you will see cut sheets, you will see O&M manuals, and some are user created items, some are Quoteplan managed items also. And now you can actually combine this document with its entirety. For an example, you can mention page numbers, specific page number like page number 2, 3, 4, or a range of pages like page from 2 to 7 or all the pages. Now if you are aware, O&M manual, they are very big document. They are like 200, 300 pages document. You don't want suppose to bundle up entire O&M manual as a part of your submittal package. You just want only handful of pages. Suppose let's say you want page number 1 to 4, just for an example. Now let's select items which you wanted to link. So select suppose this cut sheet for 1734, then O&M manual which is only pages 1 to 4, and let's pick this suppose Hoffman enclosure as a part of our submittal package. So you can actually select individual items, and you can within that items you can actually select pages for those manuals or cut sheets also. Now here you will notice that there is no document associated. In that case, it means that these particular items, they do not have any documents associated with those items in Quoteplan item master. In that case, you can go back into item master, upload the documents, and they will show up here. And most importantly, the document should be in PDF format. So this is very helpful that you link those documents into item master. As a part of this submitted package, you can also link some external documents, which are, suppose if you have some drawings, some network architecture or something like that, you can link it as a part of submitted package. So you click on choose file, and I'm going to pick some like a general arrangement diagram. Now it will you can actually select multiple files also. This particular option is for choosing multiple files also. So let's select general arrangement diagram, and it will give you the size of the document also. And once you click on generate submittal package, now see what happens. This is where the magic begins. So one important aspect is to linking documents to individual items, and then choosing individual pages to generate submittal package. And once the submittal package is generated, it will be downloaded on your local machine, and you can click and you can see. So this is, as I mentioned, this is a completely customized format, how your offer letter looks like. And this is where the data sheets comes very handy. Data sheets is generated automatically from the software based on the selection of items that you have given during generate submittal package. So this is a Allen Bradley part number description. If there is a local vendor associated, it will be mentioned here. And now here you will see the cut sheets, and the user manual starts, and we have chosen page number 1 to 4 for the user manual. So it has selected first 4 part, and then you can see the manufacturer's part number. If there is a local vendor, what's his address and other information, description of the part. So it automatically generates all this information. Then cut sheet for that particular part, and at the end, that general arrangement or the drawings we have selected, that is actually linked to it. So it is a very effective mechanism, and it will substantially cut down all your steps required to generate submittal package. So we hope that this will bring considerable efficiency in your quotation cycle.